This video will explain how to install a JHP windshield banner for all you bloody chaps. You will need the following items: Windex and rag, diluted water and soap solution, a measuring tape, a plastic scraper wrapped in soft Velcro, a razor blade, and of course, a JHP windshield banner. Start off by cleaning the upper portion of the windshield using the Windex and rag, wiping all of the bloody dirt away. Once clean, take the soap water solution and spray it liberally across the top of the windshield. This solution will allow easy movement of the banner once applied. With the banner in hand, carefully and completely peel it apart from the paper backing. Oh, I forgot to mention that it's a good idea to have a helping hand from this point onwards. Now, with your helper, take the banner and carefully apply it to the windshield. You can adjust how tall you want the background banner to be at this time. The soap water solution will prevent the banner from permanently sticking to the windshield and can be unstuck numerous times for proper alignment. Find a point to measure from up to the bottom of the banner to fine-tune the alignment. Do this for both sides. Once aligned, spray the banner with solution. Also, spray the Velcro piece that's on the scraper. Start from the center, and with gentle force, begin to excavate water and those bloody trapped air bubbles. The Velcro helps minimize scratching. Wipe down the banner and see if there are trapped micro air bubbles, and continue to scrape away until they are gone. Don't forget to respray to keep the scraper lubed. Hee, I said lubed. Repeat the same task to the other side. Now comes the cutting. Start with one end, as seen, and carefully cut downwards. Make sure to cut as far inside the windshield molding as you can to better hide the edge of the banner. Do this for both sides. Now for the center. Keep a steady hand and cut as shown. If you still have air bubbles, now is a good time to extract them, as well as cleaning up the newly cut edges of the banner. Again, with a steady hand, finish off the other side. Clean job for the win. Tidy up the edges. With the tape measure in hand, find the absolute center of the windshield. If you'd like, you can tear a piece of unused masking tape from the decal to use as a marker on the center of the windshield. Spray solution in preparation for the JHP decal. Now, measure the JHP decal and mark the center. Carefully and slowly peel apart the backing. Now apply the decal, lining up the center marking you made to the masking tape at the center of the windshield. Then, measure the bottom of the protective masking tape to the bottom of the banner for a precise alignment. If need be, realign the decal. Spray some solution over the decal and firmly begin to scrape. You may need to repeat this step a few times. Wait about 5 minutes for adhesion to occur before finally removing the protective masking tape, otherwise, you may pull some of the lettering up, which can get a bit aggravating. After waiting 5 minutes, slowly begin to peel away the masking tape. Hopefully, all of the lettering will adhere to the banner. Congratulations, old chap, you are done. And that's it. Now you can win tons of points at the next iBot meet, rocking a sexy authentic JHPUSA windshield banner. This is Peter, signing off until next time. Cheerio.